Warren Buffett's timeless investment wisdom shines brighter than ever in today's ever-changing financial landscape, where economic turbulence has become the norm. As we enter the dynamic year 2024, his straightforward yet profoundly effective principles continue to guide us through the maze of market intricacies. Navigating economic challenges. You know that the financial world just embarked on an unexpected journey, unlike anything we've witnessed in a long while. Picture this: the landscape is shifting dramatically after an extended period of remarkably low interest rates. It's as if a new player has entered the scene, causing quite a stir. But this isn't merely about digits on a screen. It's having a tangible impact on things that matter to you. Stocks have been caught in a bear market slump for over a year. Real estate prices are taking a sharp downturn. And if you're in the market for a new home, those mortgage rates are skyrocketing, translating to substantial bills on your horizon. Experts are sounding the alarm, hinting that a recession might be on the horizon. Combine that with the specter of high inflation, where everything seems to be getting pricier, and the Federal Reserve's commitment to maintaining these elevated interest rates until they see a 2% inflation rate. It's a recipe for uncertainty, my friend. However, there's a twist. The Federal Reserve isn't backing down from these high rates, casting a shadow of caution over everything. These rate hikes and the market's roller coaster ride, they're causing ripples, affecting people's investment sentiments, market behavior, and what lies ahead. You know what's wild? Interest rates and the value of stocks are buddies. When one moves, the other dances. It's like a secret handshake that says, hey, we're connected. And when you look through the money fog, the lessons from big shots start to make sense. They're like guides through the chaos. High interest rates aren't just about stopping inflation. There's a whole domino effect. Think about it. Borrowing money just got trickier. You know how people spending money is like fuel for the economy? Well, these rates are putting the brakes on that. Now, in the realm of investing, it unfolds as a three-part spectacle. Bonds, the stalwart choices, are witnessing a dimming of their appeal. On the other hand, savings accounts are beckoning with a sly assurance that they can offer more. Meanwhile, stocks are eyeing those enticing, risk-free savings rates and responding with an eager, I'm up for the challenge. This scenario resembles a financial puzzle where each piece influences the others. But there's a silver lining. There's a glimmer of hope for folks worried about the stock slump and what the Feds are doing. Predictions that hit the bullseye and the wisdom of big players might bring some sunshine back to the investing game. Interest rate hikes and investing. Buffett's wisdom comes to the forefront when interest rates start climbing. He's the kind of friend with a knack for managing money and says, when rates head north, stocks can be a good move. History nods in agreement with his approach. Interest rates, those all-important levers that dictate money behavior, also have their say in the world of stocks. Things can get tricky when rates increase, but stores often take center stage and shine brightly when they dip. Moreover, Buffett points out that stocks often dance to a different tune regarding their pricing. Do you know those so-called efficient markets that textbooks talk about? They're more like characters from a fairy tale than something you encounter daily. Understanding the direction in which interest rates are heading is akin to having access to a secret treasure map for your investment journey. It's like possessing insider information on when to make your move into the stock market. You might wonder, are today's interest rates significantly different from the past? The answer is a resounding yes, but what remains consistent is the impact of interest rates on stocks. It is a timeless story where rates play the role of directors, guiding the actors on the stage of price movements. Think of them as decision makers, directing how everyone should perform. So the next time you hear discussions about interest rates, consider it valuable advice from a trusted friend to steer you in the right financial direction. Warren Buffett's investment approach for 2024, a unique perspective. Warren Buffett's timeless wisdom remains a guiding light in the dynamic realm of investing. Amidst intricate strategies, his approach stands on simple yet profound principles, enriched by insights shared in Jeremy Bowman's analysis of the year 2024. Imagine you're having a serious conversation with him about how he invests. He pays a lot of attention to the people who run the company. Are they intelligent, honest, and able to make their own decisions? That's the first thing he checks. He prefers companies that maintain a general consistency over the years, much like the cherished restaurant you visit, because it retains its comforting allure. Such constancy holds excellent value. Furthermore, if a company possesses a distinctive quality that distinguishes it from the rest, it becomes intrigued. It's akin to having a product that stands in a league. He values honesty with people who own a part of the company. He doesn't believe in just following what everyone else is doing. Making intelligent choices based on careful thinking is more his style. Be careful and pay attention to how a company handles its money. He checks if they're making more money from what they already have. And he's a fan of looking at the company's financial history over a long period, not just the flashy stuff. His secret weapon is determining if a company is worth more than its current price. If it is, that's a green light for him. And he's all about making sure the people who own the company get a fair share. This way of investing is still influential today. It's like a guidebook for anyone who wants to invest wisely. It's about keeping things simple, being honest, and thinking about the long term. So if you're wondering where to put your money, take a cue from this playbook. Passive investment strategy. Buffett prefers to avoid complicating things. He suggests something straightforward: index funds. You might wonder why. It's because he believes in being smart but straightforward. He thinks index funds are the smart way to go. They help you avoid the mistakes that many regular folks make. It's like having a safety net for your money. There is a different view in a world where fancy-sounding hedge funds promise big things. Those funds often cost a lot and deliver less than promised. Putting your money in those funds is like taking a shaky boat on uncharted waters. On the other hand, index funds are like a steady ship. They cost little and follow the market's ups and downs. Research indicates that individuals often require performance superior to basic market benchmarks. Take, for instance, an indexed fund functioning as a diverse collection of stocks from various companies. In a book called Snowball, written by Alice Schroeder, he believes in owning stocks for the long run. Avoid when things look bad and don't pay hefty fees. His solution? Go for an indexed fund that's easy on the wallet. Think of it as a plan. Be bold when others are scared and be careful when others get too excited. The buzz of trying to pick the best stocks? That may be different from everyone's thing. Why bother with individual stocks when the overall picture is looking good? It's an invitation to peace of mind. Watch your money grow while you stay in control. Investing during inflation. All right, buckle up for some serious money talk. There is no need for fancy jargon or confusing terms. Just sound, old-fashioned wisdom that can help you navigate the financial maze. Buffett firmly believes that becoming proficient in something and persisting with it can be your ultimate defense against challenging times. It's like possessing a secret superpower that keeps you ahead, even with adversity. Now let's address inflation, which can quietly erode the value of your money over time. But don't fret, because Buffett has a few strategies up his sleeve. One of them involves smart investing. He recommends selecting assets that can maintain their worth despite rising prices. It's akin to constructing a fortress around your money to shield it from the effects of inflation. And here's an intriguing idea. Consider life insurance, mainly when obtained at a young age. It provides security for your loved ones and functions as a bulwark against the corrosive impact of inflation. Think of it as a safety net that ensures the preservation of your financial future. He's invested nearly $1 billion in silver, so it's not just a dislike for precious metals. When it comes to gold, he once remarked, "It doesn't do anything but sit there and look at you." But why silver? It's a different story. It isn't just shiny. It's also versatile. It serves multiple purposes, from medical applications like bandages and catheters to electronics, where it excels as a conductor of electricity and resists wear and tear. It's not easily replaceable with other materials, particularly in its diverse industrial roles. In contrast, gold falls short in terms of utility. While it finds use in specific industries, it's less indispensable than silver often proves to be. Gold may shine in jewelry, but beyond that, it could exhibit greater versatility. So, silver wins the practicality prize, making it a solid financial bet, while gold takes a back seat due to its limited practical applications. Housing also plays a role in this financial strategy by generating income through home rentals, providing a stable cash flow capable of withstanding market fluctuations. The best part is that property ownership isn't a prerequisite. You can enter the world of real estate investments through online platforms. Have you ever considered fine wine as an investment? While unconventional, certain rare bottles can appreciate over time, much like your money maturing gracefully, gaining worth as the years pass. Lastly, let's discuss art. Art can also fortify your financial portfolio. You don't need to be an art collector with deep pockets. Online platforms now offer opportunities to invest in art without the complexities of owning physical artworks, making it easier to enter the art world stress-free. These aren't just tricks for experts. They're like a treasure map for building and safeguarding your wealth, all while keeping things simple and smart. So go ahead, make your money work for you like a pro. As we gear up for the exciting investment landscape of 2024, let's take a moment to reflect on the ageless insights given to us by Warren Buffett. These nuggets of wisdom have not only stood the test of time, but continue to light the way in our journey through the intricacies of the market. So, my fellow viewers, as you navigate the path of investment decisions in the upcoming year, remember the significance of evaluating businesses, the incredible strengths of investing in your personal growth, and the unwavering principles that he has so generously shared. If you found this video valuable, please show appreciation by hitting the like button. Also, spread the word by sharing this video, and make sure those notification bells are ringing so you never miss an update. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Lastly, let's keep the conversation going in the comments section. Share your perspectives and insights with us.